Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Discovery Bay, and the government recently announced that they're going to be building a new transport center in Discovery Bay. Now this is the Northern Coastal Highway that we're looking at straight ahead, and to the left is a plaza where you have a gas station, and this is where the taxi operators. This is a makeshift transport center basically on the left that we're passing. So, to help alleviate the problems, the government stated that they are going to be building a transport center in Discovery Bay. So, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, the corridor between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, it's booming. A lot of investment is taking place along that corridor. Hotels are going up, residential units are going up, plazas are going up. It is it's some of the most sought after real estate on the north coast. And so these towns need to be connected. So transport centers are very important. For instance, you could live in Montego Bay and need to get to Discovery Bay to work, or live in Discovery Bay and need to get to Montego Bay. And the main way of traveling along the north coast is via taxi. So the transport center, or via the road, I should say, taxis, buses, etc. So transport centers are very important. So it is good that they are building a new transport center in Discovery Bay. All right, so we're going to go through the article that gives more information on this. The government, through the Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, has sought to address parking challenges faced by taxi operators in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. Portfolio Minister Honorable Darrell Vaz, who met with transport operators, police and other stakeholders to discuss immediate and long-term plans to alleviate the situation, said the government is securing a plot of land in the township owned by Norando Jamaica Bauxite Partners that will be transformed into a new transport center. He said once Norando receives board approval, the land will be handed over to the St. Anne Municipal Corporation for development into a full-fledged transport hub. The minister said the new location will make a significant impact on improving order and safety in the area. Also, I got in contact with the National Works Agency, who says the contract for stoplights, which is another burning issue, will start next week, Mr. Vaz outlined. In the short term, taxi operators will be relocated to the new site with designated areas for loading and unloading. Additional plans are in place to provide the necessary amenities such as bathroom facilities and shelters to make the area more comfortable for both operators and passengers. The minister also noted that there have been discussions with the police and the Transport Authority to ensure the transport operators comply with the new regulations. So I can say there is going to be zero tolerance. I spoke to the Assistant Commissioner of Police, who has indicated to me that he will send some more resources down here, especially over the Christmas season, to make sure that we can keep order on the roads. Mr. Vaz said. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, I think every major town along the north coast between Ocho Rios, actually between Boscobel and Montego Bay, they need a proper transport center in all of these towns. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.